Welcome to Day 9. Today, we'll explore one of Python's most powerful data structures, dictionaries. Dictionaries allow us to store data in key-value pairs, making data retrieval efficient and intuitive. What is a dictionary? A dictionary in Python is a collection that stores data in key-value pairs. Unlike lists, which use numerical indexes, dictionaries use keys to access values. For example, we have a dictionary called student. In this dictionary we have name, age, course, and score as keys, while Kelvin, 34, Python, and 95 are their respective values. Dictionaries are defined using curly braces, and key-value pairs are separated by colons. How to access dictionary values? You can retrieve values from a dictionary using keys. Calling on the dictionary name and the key will print out the value for you. Alternatively, you can use the .get method to prevent errors if the key doesn't exist. Why use .get? If a key doesn't exist, Python won't throw an error but will return a default value instead. Modifying dictionaries. Dictionaries are mutable, meaning we can add, update, and delete key-value pairs. In this example, we are changing the value of score to 98, and when we print we will see the update. We can also use del to delete key and values, but be careful. Using del removes the key permanently. Day 9 task, difficult challenge. You are working for a movie rating system that tracks movie reviews. Your task is to create a dictionary named movies where the keys are movie titles and the values are dictionaries containing year, genre, rating. Add at least 4 movies to the dictionary. Write a function highest_rated_movie that finds and prints the movie with the highest rating. Allow users to add new movies dynamically using input. Allow users to update ratings for existing movies. Print the updated dictionary after each modification. What you learned today. What dictionaries are and how they store key-value pairs. How to access, modify, and delete dictionary elements. How to apply your knowledge in a real-world challenge. Log in now to complete the task. See you tomorrow for Day 10.